We want to begin tonight with the whiplash of federal court rulings over the Texas immigration law known as SB 4. A U.S. Court of Appeals blocked the sweeping law. This was just hours after the Supreme Court said it could go into effect. The Texas law gives local and state police the power to arrest and detain migrants who cross the border illegally. Immigration enforcement has for decades been the sole responsibility of federal authorities. And as you heard, Republican Texas Governor Greg Abbott has said the state has the right to defend itself against what he is calling an invasion. Now, President Biden opposes the Texas law, and he actually landed in the state today for fundraisers. This challenge comes as a Texas bus company has put the brakes on transporting migrants to New York City after a lawsuit was filed by New York City. The mayor there, Eric Adams, urged other bus companies to stop their trips, too. So there's a lot to talk about, and CBS's Omar Villafranca will start us off tonight with all the latest from Dallas.
Tonight, one of Texas Governor Greg Abbott's toughest border restriction policies is under scrutiny by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. Judges decided to hear the case this morning after the Supreme Court temporarily allowed SB 4 to go into effect. Questions focus squarely on the merits of the law. Texas's Solicitor General seemed to struggle to defend the law's merit.
So what if someone enters in, let's say, from Mexico into Arizona and lives there for 5 years, then moves to Texas? Are they covered?
I don't know the answer. I think that, I'm reading the text, maybe.
Spencer Amder with the ACLU says SB 4 is unconstitutional.
Federal law has been clear that states have no business regulating who can come into the country and who has to leave. That is just the core of federal immigration power.
While the court decides SB 4's fate, Texas Governor Greg Abbott remained steadfast.
Even without SB 4, Texas has the legal authority to arrest people coming across the razor wire barriers on our border.
Abbott's action of busing migrants to Democrat-run cities also suffered a minor setback in New York, where after being sued by the city, at least one bus company has agreed to stop busing migrants from Texas to New York. With the law in limbo, El Paso County Sheriff Commander Ryan Urrutia added his deputies won't make SB 4 a priority.
We have about 270 police officers, and this issue could quickly exhaust those resources for our community.
We don't know when the Fifth Circuit will rule on SB 4, and this is all happening as President Biden comes to Texas. He'll be in Dallas and Houston for fundraisers, and we'll see if he makes any comments on the law. Norah?
Omar Villafranca, thank you so much.